Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable clipboard permission for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your speaker here. After that, go to the settings at the right top. And right here in the second line we have this clipboard permission. So what it actually do? It automatically detect and apply equalizer presets when you copy it from the special equalizer passphrase. For example, if you copy it from your friend or from some website. Now to enable it, we have a slider right here near to it and just tap on it. If you have a colored background, a colorful background, it means that it's enabled, and to disable also press on it. And if you have empty background, it means that it's disabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.